Hi guys. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing, trying on, and reviewing my August Boxy Charm. Let's just go ahead and get started. The first item we have in the box is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. I really don't like the smell to this. It smells like weird candy. Okay, since that is now dried into my skin, I'm gonna go ahead and do some foundation. You guys should already know my favorite foundation is the Tarte Water Foundation, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it now. Alright, foundation is done, so now I get to use the next item in my box. So the next item in my box is the Becca Cosmetic Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. On the inside when you open it, it says, "Keep me closed to keep me cool." Wow, my nails are not doing me justice right now. I cannot open it. I swear if I break a nail, I'm gonna be pissed. Ooh. Oh, I see. It's kind of like a trampoline, like you push in to get the powder. Why is this wet? Princess! Oh, is that this? Sorry guys, she was just playing with my brushes, so I thought like she did something with my brush. Oh my gosh, I think it's the powder. It feels wet. Hold on. It is the powder. What the heck? Oh, I don't like that feeling. It feels like I'm putting like a wet brush on my face. Wow, that's so weird. I'm like really tripped out right now.
I do.
Now, can you put it on my face? Oh. Wow. Perfect. Thank you so much. I think I'm set. I don't even know how much I put on my face. I'm just gonna quickly contour my face with the Cover FX face palette. Honestly guys, I'm really sporadic with my contour. I'm not like one that keeps it in one place. I kind of just go all over the place. I feel like it makes it look more natural. Bring my cheeks to life real quick. Oh, I put too much. I'm just gonna quickly set my face with the Farsali Rose Gold Skin Mist. So the next item I got in my box are the Ace Beauty. They are single glimmer shadows. Here, why don't you use this one and mommy's gonna use that one, okay? Here's the first shade. Yes, baby. What? Ooh, that is vibrant. Okay. This is the epitome of mom life, just so you guys know. I'm gonna use the pink that's in my Cover FX palette to kind of just like blend it out in the crease. Okay, and I went in with the bronzer, try and just kind of like soften up the outer crease so it's not just like one big pink blob. Okay, now I'm gonna attempt to do some eyeliner with my toddler in my hands. Wish me luck.
No!
So eyeliner is done. I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes. I love you. Can you say love you? Love you. Love you. No. Y'all, she opened my Farsali. The next item I got in my box is a Steve Laurent lip liner. It's looking a little red, pinky. I don't do well with red or pink lip liners, as you guys saw in my my Q&A video. I think it was Ipsy gave me a pink lip liner. Well, we're gonna see how this goes. Ugh, I don't like the way that feels. Ooh, let's try this lip gloss. Okay, the fifth and final item I got in my August Boxy Charm is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara.
Yep, yep,
This is for your eyes, baby.
yep.
This is, she's saying lip like she thinks it's lipstick. It's for your eyes. Alright guys, this is the final look. Do you guys like how this look turned out? If so, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm happy with how my look turned out for today. I'm not a pink person, but my final thoughts on the box itself, it was a pretty good box. I'm just not the biggest fan of like single shadows. They tend to get lost very easily or they break. But I really like the pink that came in the box. It's super pretty. My favorite product in the box was the setting powder. This has me tripping out crazy. Like, wow. I'm gonna keep using it. I really like how my face looks. It looks super nice. And I'm going to start doing shout outs on my videos. So at the end of every video, I'm going to be shouting out a loyal subscriber. If you want a chance to be able to be shouted out in one of my videos, make sure you are loyal and super active. That way I can notice you and give you a shout out. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you never miss when a video is posted. Make sure to turn on my notification bell. That way you guys are notified the second a video goes up. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I will hopefully see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.